What's up, guys? Setting you down here while I grab me some coffee here this morning. So last week we wrote $10,259 in new approved business. Got me some coffee here. Coffee's for closers. And we're about to get the day started. So jumping into my office here. Got my little friend here in the corner, samurai sword. Got my coffee, got my setup with some books I've been reading here. Got a broken office chair, well, I gotta put it together. Got my plant. And yeah, we're pretty excited to get some business cooking. Basically, for those of you that have never watched our channel before, my name is Julian Polito. My business partner and I, Tim, run this channel. And basically, we're building an agency that helps insurance agents make six figures with no risk so that they can live out their dream lives and travel around the world like we do. So just, you know, the lifestyle that we live, we kind of just go out and stay in places. Did Costa Rica and Colombia last year. Tim went to like Asia and all these other things also. And basically our goal is to just kind of give that same lifestyle to other people. Being able to work from home and spend more time with family and being able to work from pretty much anywhere in the world while still making six figures is our goal. But that's my goal. Comment yours below, and I'm going to keep you tuned in on the rest of today. We'll see you. Alrighty. So I am having some meal prep. Going to have a quick little lunch. I don't like to take too long on these breaks because when you're in a flow on the phones, you don't want to kill it. Now, the phones have been pretty dead this morning. I've gotten a couple wrong numbers and haven't really had any prospective clients that were able to or willing to talk. But I am just, obviously keeping a positive mindset because you only need one or two phone calls a day that actually hit for you to make really good money selling insurance. So you can probably hear my meal prep popping in the microwave. I'm jumping back on the phones after lunch here and just excited to see if we can't get maybe, let's aim for 2 deals today. We can have a pretty big afternoon, see what happens. We'll keep you updated. All right, guys, I am jumping back onto the phones now. Had a quick 10-minute lunch. I like to eat fast, be efficient, and jump back on the phones, especially on Mondays, because the sooner you get your first deal when you're getting into the week, the sooner you're going to get your second deal, your third deal, your fourth deal, and your fifth deal. If you're pacing a deal a day, you will never be hungry. And remember that a deal a day keeps the bills paid. I'm going to jump on the phones here. I will keep you updated when we get one. What's up, guys? So we already got one app here on the day, and I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through the day in the life of a producer that's writing 1 to 2 apps a day. First one was for $128 a month. It was a replacement. She hates the company she's currently with, who shall remain unnamed. But basically, they billed her wrong, and then they put something wrong on the paperwork. I think they messed up the beneficiary or something. Sounds like there was a little bit of negligence there. And she was like, I don't want to do business with them. This is really scaring me because not only did they get everything wrong, they billed me, I have to try to fix all of it. They also billed me wrong, and like, how are they gonna? Are they gonna pay my family on time, or what if the payment doesn't go through because they're billing me on the wrong days? And also, like, I want to see if I can get it cheaper because I'm on a fixed income. So she gave me all these reasons that she wanted to replace it. And after talking with her, getting her qualified and everything, it was a tough sale because of trying to get her an approval. She keeps getting declined for some reason. I think maybe I'm missing something in the situation, but we're just going to continue to try to get her an approval. So we got our first app that I think is going to be a yes. We just put through for her. She had already been declined with one of our other carriers. So we put it through. I think we're going to get a yes as long as nothing comes back sketchy. And so we're at 128, like 82 a month or something. So that's our first app for $128 a month today, and we're about to jump back in and see what we can't get done here today. I will keep you guys in the loop. So we are literally only 18 phone calls in, 2 deals on the day. Last one was for $52 a month. So all in all, we're at $170 a month for the day between 2 applications. Biggest thing that I've done so far today to lead to getting 2 applications is literally just making phone calls, following the same script, and just being consistent. So on Saturday, I was just talking about this with somebody that I'm in a Zoom room with. Every single day, I put in the same activity, and some days I get the result, and some days I don't. But the average comes out to work out for me because on Saturday, I made 300 phone calls. No, it was like 260 or 80 or something. I don't know. It was in the high 200s. Didn't get any deals. Like literally just, hung up on every single time. Could not get anything to pan. For whatever reason, it was like absolutely nuts. Monday, come in and I make 300 phone calls flat. And literally no deals, nothing happened. And I was like, I always have this mindset that I'm going to come to the day. Today's a new day. The next phone call is going to be a deal. That next deal is going to be the deal that takes my business to the next level. And I always think that way. And I force myself to think that way. It's just going to be the next one. It's just going to be the next one. And so what happened was I made 18 phone calls. I got 3 quotes off, and I've already got 2 deals on the day here. It's only Tuesday. We're 2 deals in. I've got to calculate the annual premium, but I know we're over $2K. I just don't know how much over. So gonna calculate that later. We're gonna tally at the end of the day. I'm not done here. We're looking for 3 deals on the day before we do a live this evening. So you're gonna see this after that live, but we're just basically gonna be giving away some free value, breaking down some of the things that I'm doing to write 1, 2, 3 applications a day, and how we're gonna improve that process so that you can be a successful agent if you decide to follow the same systems that we are here at Zoo Assurance. We'll see you in the next one. We just had one for $255 hang up on me as soon as I went to confirm his birthday. Like we went through all the prices, went through everything. He seemed like he was, honestly, it was like kind of a lay down situation. And he hung up on me. And as soon as I called back, went to voicemail. And the voicemail said something about like, this is a transportation service, like all this mess. So, called him back a couple times, nothing panned out. So jumping back on the phones, but that was about to be a massive one. Just gonna see if we can't find another deal. Still only like 20-some calls in. Wanted to give you guys a quick recap on the day yesterday. So basically, ended up finishing out the day with the 2 applications. Ended up having to jump on doing some YouTube stuff and building out some of the compensation plans and things for the agents that we're bringing on. So that's, obviously that's just for the agency that we were building, but for the production side of things, we ended up finishing out, I think it was, I did the math, 1 app was $625, one was $1297.50. So the day finished out at about, I think it was like $1997 or something like that. So overall, almost $2K on the day. Not bad. Pretty cool stuff. I'm just gonna get on the phones here, find us some new business, and help out some more clients today. Gonna keep you guys in the loop with everything. Probably gonna film some more of these videos. Comment below if you like these day in the life videos. If this is the kind of stuff that you guys want to see, or if there's anything specific that you guys want to learn more about or see more of, so that we can make it for you so you can learn more about this industry and ultimately start making more money doing it. But comment below, click the subscribe button if you're new here, and we'll see you in the next one.